Have I mentioned how much I love wintertime in Florida? Hi, girl. Hi, chickie. Come here. Whoa. What are you doing? Ow! They're usually friendly. What are you doing, girl? Yay! Well, look at her. She's angry with me. What the hell? What are you doing? That's weird. Usually they're very friendly. But I still love Florida weather for the most part. I'm going over here to let these chickens out and turkeys and all that stuff. Hi guys. Good morning. They're always ready to see me. Oh, she's so grumpy. Here goes those cows. Little Eve. What's going on? Why y'all acting up? Oh, I forgot I can't leave this open with the cows. We'll leave it just a little open so they can get out. That's that new steer. I know that for a fact. That's that new steer. He looks good. And them donkey. Hey guys, get back. What is all this? They've been escaping. Oh, heck. What are y'all doing? Good morning. Hi. These are the second set before the last set that I bought. Hi, girl. You pretty thing. When you gonna have your baby? Hey, owie. Hi. Silly. Yeah, that's definitely that steer. Oh, he looks like he's acclimating. Hi. 25. You're the older one. Hi. You're the very tame one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Still got them all. What the heck? Look at that little sucker. See? I knew they'd get out. Funny little critters. It's time to let these out. These are the Ayam Cenami chickens. Hi. This one's kind of friendly. So I think these Ayam Cenimis are Ayam Cenimis. They're flighty. They're not like these ones. These girls you can, whoa. You can usually, this one's grumpy. You can usually pick up these Rhode Island Red. They're tame, except for that one. So you could just catch them and hold them, and they're fairly tame. Hi girl, how you doing? Hi there. Yeah, they're fairly tame. But those ones are not like that. They're pretty flighty. They don't want anything to do with people. They just want to run around like crazy. They're just scared, I guess. I'm sure they'll tame up after a while. Okay. See if they go out. Hopefully they don't get beat up. I figured they've been here for a couple weeks already, so they should be, one, they should be homed in on where they live, and two, the other one should have gotten semi-acclimated to them so they don't attack them. Just want these things to come out. Come on out, chickie. It's a whole new world. I guess they're gonna come out on their own. Mama! Mama! Will you stop it? Uh-oh, look at that. Look at that. They're just dying to come in here. Here we go. Look, they're out. Woohoo! They're already eating stuff. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's 8 of them. All right. They look good. They're pretty birds in their own way. I think they're a little different, so that's why I want them. That's why I like them. I hope Ranger doesn't go after them. That's my worry. They're too expensive for Ranger to go after. I'm hoping they're getting enough food. I switched up their food And I'm thinking they may not be liking it. Just trying to find a better solution to the food I was doing. But they seem a little hungry. They're getting the food, as you can see, they're getting it. If you run from them, they'll definitely chase you down. They're gonna bully check you though. Stop bullying. Look like they've been doing some cocaine, man. Jeez. I got some crackhead birds. Let's go get them grain before they start tearing everything up. I'm actually gonna put this fence back on. Hi, mama. Soon to be mama. Those of you that know me know I love these cows. I mean, I have no hesitation on eating them, but because that will happen. But they're so cool. This is the steer. Hi, Mr. Steer. I don't know you yet. I don't know your temperament, but it should be all right. And then we got Ranger trying to get chased down. He already went swimming this morning. That's that Florida weather I like. Hi, bull. I want to get friendly with this bull. Well, that doesn't sound right, but I want to make friends with this bull. Come on, Mr. Bull. We got to be friends before you attack me. All right, fine, go away. Oh, I guess they know they're about to get some grain. Oh, she doesn't like dogs at all. And of course, Dobie, he just sits there. Not the brightest thing in the world. Okay, so I got my grain right there. We'll walk over here. We're gonna see their reaction. Hey, cow, come on, donkey. Come on, let's go. They know what's up, those little fat things. Come on, let's go. Come on. Look at Eve. She's looking good. Hi. Stella is the next one that's going to be due. Now look how friendly they are. See how much they let me pet them now? Which one's this one? Who are you? You're P2. You're one of their mom. You're Eve's. She's Pearl's mama. There's my bull. Finally got to pet him. Stella, hi honey. Come on, cow. Y'all don't knocked it over. Jeez, pigs. Yeah, Stella is definitely due next with one of the other ones. Look at that. See how friendly they are and how tolerant they are of me? Who are you? Nova. Yeah, you let me pet you. Look at that cocaine addict right there. Come on, cow. Where'd the steer go? Come on, cow. Hi, donkey. Here comes the steer. He knows what's up now. That's the other one that's due next. I got two that are due anytime. Whoa, relax there. Hi, see how friendly they are? Oh, that's the steer. That's not the steer. Okay. Hi, come on, what's wrong with you? All right. Hi, mama. That's the one that's due soon. That's the one that's due next. That one's never due because he's a steer. Watch, that donkey's gonna get a little grumpy. That one had the baby. Yeah, look at her. She's, damn man, anytime now. She's so chill right now. I wonder what they think. Cross legs and all. Well, what a lady. I'm gonna try to sneak up behind this one here. This one doesn't let me pet her, but I'm gonna, oh, nope, can't do that. Oh, they're all following Uncle. This is 25. This one, she'll let you pet her. Is this my bull right here? Nope, that's not. That's the heifer. She's a tiny one. Where's my bull? My bull has to be here somewhere. I don't see his curly. Oh, that's him right there. I'm gonna pet him sooner or later. Bunch of feeding cattle. That's what that is. Fertilizer makers. And that's that. I don't know why Pearl's attaching to that one. I guess that's a new babysitter. That's not Pearl though, that's Eve. That's Pearl. You know, we're greening up. We've actually had some really cold nights here where it's been in the 20s, but we're greening up. These cows are keeping it down. I have some more seeds. I'm gonna be planting more of the summertime crops, I guess, if you will. Probably the next time I'm out here, I'll plant them. This is it. They're all taken care of, so now I can get to work. yeah, just feeding these animals, kind of taking a look at them all, watching them. It's a good chance to get them all together and kind of take a peek at them, make sure they're looking okay, not hurt or anything. Just throw some food out and just take a look. Of course, I want to have these all grass fed, but I don't have the best grass. So it's hard to grass feed if you don't have good grass. So what I'm working on is, of course, build my pasture. But until then, I'll give them a little grain so they don't starve to death. With all the pregnant ones and the lactating ones, I don't want to starve them. They have to have the nutrition so they can take care of their calves. So we're working on body condition and all that kind of jazz. We're gonna go ahead and cut that off for now. Until the next one, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.